That is not the Trickster in the background. That is Trickster's new little sister. It's a 66 Mustang we recently picked up. But I'm here today to talk about trim. So Rick Blevins recently posted a video about how he used a different Draino kind of cleaner on the trim piece, and he was pleased how it came out. So since trim has been a real battle for me, I've been using the Easy Off. It's been a battle. It hasn't really come out the way I would have loved it to. I'm going to try his method. All right, so here was Rick's suggestion. It's this Instant Power Hair and Grease Drain Opener. It's available at Home Depot, and that's exactly where I found it. I've got my trim piece here. I did do a little of sanding on it. There was some dents in it, and those got straightened out. So I did a little sanding. What I'm going to do now is put some of this in this little cup. I'm going to brush it on and wait 5 minutes like he suggested. Here we go. All right, you can see it's kind of bubbling up and sizzling a little. So we'll give that 5 minutes. Okay, here's after 5 minutes. I just ran a damp cloth over it. And I think what my mistake was, I didn't put it on evenly enough. So we've got kind of this spotting here. So I'm gonna do another coat, maybe just give it a couple of minutes this time. But you can see we definitely have that white kind of finish that we're looking for, which means the anodization has been removed. So you can see on this side I did it much more smoothly and there's no spots. So live and learn. I'm going to do that side again and check back. Dye anodization. Burning hell. Anyway, looks like it's working. Time to wipe it down. Okay, now I've got my old t-shirt and my mother's mag and aluminum polish. Keep a pretty good dab right there. Just gonna work one little section at a time, and I'm applying a lot of pressure. And as you can see, that dirty aluminum just keeps giving it up. This is what I've just been dealing with. Oh, that is dirty. So, just gonna see. Wow. All right. Let me put a little water on the rag. Just wipe off the last of that aluminum. Well, I have to say, I'm a believer. That's really nice. And I am with the same school of thought on Rick with these, that if it's a supernatural car, it shouldn't be intensely shiny showroom condition. You know, this is a car that's been driven and loved, and it's going to show some wear. But that's really better than I expected. All right, I'm going to keep you going and do the whole thing. Probably take me a little bit while, but yeah, I'm pretty impressed. All right, stay tuned. All right, folks, here's the finished product. Put it on after just hand rubbing it with the mothers. And then to kind of get the last of the black off, I found that Windex and paper towel works. And wow, I am super impressed, and I'm so happy that method worked so well, especially with that front piece. Awesome. All right, thanks for watching.